If you're experiencing controller drift in CS2, there are several steps you can take to address the issue and improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help speed up the resolution of controller drift. Step 1. Check for firmware updates. Ensure that your controller's firmware is up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that could fix bugs and improve performance. Visit the official website of your controller brand to download and install any available updates. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dirt and debris can accumulate around the analog sticks, causing drift. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the sticks. Make sure to let it dry completely before using the controller again. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In the game settings, look for the controller options and adjust the dead zone settings. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift by requiring more movement of the stick before it registers input. Step 4. Reset the controller. Sometimes resetting the controller can resolve issues. Turn off your console or PC, disconnect the controller, and then reconnect it after a few moments. This can help recalibrate the controller's input. Step 5. Replace the analog sticks. If the drift persists, consider replacing the analog sticks or the entire controller. Many gaming stores offer replacement parts, or you can purchase a new controller that fits your needs better. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift in CS2. Regular maintenance and adjustments can enhance your gaming experience significantly.